So good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about selection sort. So what is selection sort? Selection sort is an in-place sorting algorithm having a time complexity of order of n square. This is important. It is an in-place sorting algorithm and it has a time complexity of order of n square. So what we do in selection sort? So we find the smallest element from the array and put it in the first position. And then, so it will be then, Then. And then we find the second smallest element and put it in the second position and so on. So we progressively find the smallest elements and put it in the first, second, third positions and so on. So suppose we have an array like this, 7, 5, and 2, then we will first select this 2 and we will put it in the first position. Then we will select this 5 and then we will put it after this 2 and finally we will have this 7. So after sorting the array will become 2, 5 and 7. Alternatively, we can also say that we find the greatest element and put it in the last position. And then we find the second greatest element and put it in the second last position and so on. So we can also say that we will select this 7 and we will put it in the last position. Then we will select the second largest element, that is 5, and we will put it in the second last position. And finally, we will select the 2 and we will put it in the position before 5. So this is how selection sort works. So here is an example of selection sort. So here we find that we have an array 5, 1, 12, minus 5, 16, 2, 12 and 14. Then we find that this minus 5 is the smallest element. So in the first round, we swap this minus 5 with the plus 5. This is represented here in the figure. So what we will get is minus 5, 1, 12, 5, 16, 2, 12, 14. Then again we find that this 1 is the smallest element and it is present in its correct position. So we do nothing. So again among the remaining, that is 12, 5, 16, 2, 12 and 14, we find that this 2 is the smallest element. So we select this 2 and swap it with 12. Then again in the remaining elements with 5, 16, 12, 12, 14, we find that 5 is the smallest element and it is in its correct position. So we don't swap. Again, among the remaining elements 16, 12, 12, 14, we find that 12 is the smallest element. So we swap it with 16. Finally, in this 16, 12 and 14, we find that this 12 is the smallest element and we swap it with 16. And last, in this 16 and 14, we find that 14 is the smallest element and we put it before 16 and the array is sorted. So the final sorted array is minus 5, 1, 2, 5, 12, 12, 14, 16. So this is the Java code for selection sort. So we have a class called selection sort. Inside the class, we have a method called sort and we pass an array to the method. Then we read the length of the array using this array.length. Then finally we one by one move boundary of unsorted array. So for I equal to 0 and I less than n minus 1, so we iterate from 0 to n minus 2. So we iterate from 0 to n minus 2 because the last element will be present in its correct position. Now we do int mean index is equal to 1. So we find the minimum index in unsorted array. So the minimum index, so suppose we have an array and at any point of time this part is already sorted. So the minimum index will be present here. So therefore we write int mean index is equal to I. Then for int j equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. So from the next index, that is from j is equal to I plus 1 till the last position we search in the array. If array j is less than array main index, so suppose we have an element over here which is less than our this value, so which is less than the value present at main index. So what we do is we say that this value is our main index. And then when this loop is over, we swap the found minimum element with the first element. So we swap this and this. So these two elements get swapped. I think I should change the color. So let me change the color. So we swap this one and this one. So we swap the minimum element with the first element. So in temp is equal to add min index, add min index equal to add I, and add I equal to temp. So this is the code for swapping. Then this is the method to print the array. So this is simple method, void print array int add, int n equal to add dot length, and then we iterate from 0 to n minus 1 and we print the array the elements present in the array one by one. Finally, this is the driver code to test the above two methods. So we declare our main method public static void main string args. We do the selection, we call this selection sort class, and we make an object OB of the class selection sort. Then we pass an array, and then we pass the array to this method sort. Finally, we print system.out.println sorted array, and then we call this print array method. We call this print array method, and finally we will get our sorted array. So if I repeat the things, we create a method called sort where we implement the code for selection sort. We create a method called print array where we print the array, and then we have our driver method which is used to call these two methods and where we declare our array.